Okay, so go for the next one is given. If the sum of first n terms of a p is given 4n minus n square, what is the first term? That means, first term is asking a1. What is the sum of first two terms? That means a1 plus a2 is what? What is the second term? Similarly, third term and 10th term and nth term. Okay, an. Correct. So what we need to calculate, that I am writing first. We are asked to calculate a1, that means a here. And which one we need? A2, that also should be calculated. And S2 also asked to calculate. Then it's given and first, what is the second term? Third term, that means A3, A10 and AN. Okay, so this much it is need to calculate what's given here. Only Sn it's given. Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Look, I am giving some examples here. So for example, 180 is 1, 2, 4, 6, etc. Okay, the first term it is 2 only, correct? So sum of that term means what you will get. What you will get? Sum of only one term means that A is, isn't it? Yes?
Okay.
Yeah. So sum of first term, what is the first term, how we will get? Simply S1, that should be S1. And this, if we both these if we add, that become S2. If all these three if we add, that become S3 and so on, so on. Correct? And n terms if we add, that become Sn. That means if only one term it is there, the first term, that we can consider as the sum of the first term. Correct? How it will be? Simply n it is changing. Correct? S1, which is equal to A. Correct? Which we can written as instead of n, simply substitute as 1. So 1, 4 into 1 minus 1 square become 4 minus 1 is 3. So first term we got first term. Correct? So that become 3 here. Now second term it is sum of two terms. How we will get a sum of two terms? What is the sum of two terms? If we substitute, this is the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms is given here for n minus n square. Now, if we substitute S2, that becomes sum of two terms, isn't it? First term plus the second term. So that means instead of n, if we substitute 2, you will get the second term's sum. Two terms a sum, first two terms a sum. 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So that becomes 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4 here. Okay, this is nothing but what? A1 plus A2, correct? A1 plus A2. 1 plus A2. Okay? A1 plus A2 is 4. You are asked to find out the second term. Correct? Next one it is the second term. How you can find out? Simply subtract A2. Correct? A1 from that one. So what you will get, therefore A2 is equal to A1 we already got. Correct? A1 it is 3 here. 4 minus 3 become 1. What is A2 we got this 1. Now how we can find out third term? Simply S3. S3 means we can write A1 plus A2 plus A3. All the three terms sum. How we will get it? Simply writing here only. Instead of n, we can use 3 there. Correct? 4 into 3 minus 3 square. 4 into 3 square, 12 minus 9. 12 minus 9 it is 12 minus 9, 3 again. Correct? That means sum of all the three terms A1 plus A2 plus A3 is getting 3 there. A1 plus A2 we already got. A1 plus A2 it is 4 here. So therefore what we can say, A3 is equal to 3 minus A1 plus A2 is 4 here. Right? A1 plus A2 is 4 we got from this equation. So we can see that one is minus 1, A3 is minus 1. Similar, A10 how we will get? A10, so for that I am taking this one. Let me write. Sorry. Yes. Yeah, I am writing here. You can see from this one. You see this one. What we can say? S1 it is here. Okay. S1, I'm taking next page and explaining that one. S1 you got, yeah, S1 it is given here. S1 we got, that is nothing but the first term, correct? That we got equal to, what was that? What was that? S3, isn't it? First term we got, it is 3. Yeah. Okay, so let us go for, here it is, that is 3 here, first term. And S2, which is nothing but the sum of these two, SA1 plus A2. That you got, it's 4 here, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay.
See, if we subtract this one, what we will get? S2 minus S1, what we will get? A1 plus A2 is S2, correct? Minus A1, what do you will get? A1 plus A2 minus A1. That means A1 and A1 gone. If we subtract S2 minus S1, we will get A2. Similarly, if we subtract S3 minus S1, how you will get A1 plus A2 plus, yeah, I'm writing here A2, S2. A1 plus A2 plus A3 minus O A1 plus A2, that is sum of two terms, isn't it? Opening this bracket, but you will get A1 plus A2 plus A3 minus A1 minus A2. So what we are getting? We can see that it's again getting A3, correct? That means this one, if we taken as n, that means an, then we can say Sn minus s into 2, this 1 less than n, that means n minus 1. This is another formula for an, correct? So using this one, we can do that one. Okay, so what we can write here? Simply Sn, we can write here Sn minus Sn minus 1, that you will get an. Okay, here which one we need? 10th term. So S10 minus S10 minus 1, that means 9 there. So you will get A10. Now I'm writing here S10, it is how you will get, simply in this formula, substitute 10 there. So 4 into 10 minus 10 square minus of, here 10 minus 1, it's 9. Instead of n, we can put 9 there. 9 minus 9 square. So that we will get A10. So 40 minus 100. So this one we can getting 40 minus 10 square, it is 100, and minus 4 into 9, it is 30. Excuse me, minus 36, correct? And here 9 square, it is 81. Minus into minus plus 81, which is equal to 810. So calculating this one, what you will get? This 100 and minus 136 and 121. Isn't it? 136 minus 121. Simply getting minus 15. Correct? It is getting minus 15. 810 we are getting minus 15. Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now the last term we can write the same way. The next page I'm taking that one. Yeah. Here. Sn minus 1. Yes, this one. An also asked to find out. So with that we can write here an as an is equal to Sn, that means 4 into n minus n square minus O. Sn minus 1, so 4 into n minus 1, yeah, minus n minus 1 the whole square. So what we need to do, first we have to open the bracket, isn't it? This inside the big bracket. So 4n minus n square minus O. 4 into n become 4n minus 4 into 1 become 4, and here this become again a minus b the whole square, so a square plus b square minus 2ab, that become 2n. So opening this bracket, what you will get? 4n minus n square, opening this one become minus 4n, and then minus become plus 4, and minus of this become plus n square minus 2n plus 1. Now 4n minus 4n 0, n square minus n square 0. But we are getting 1. Yeah, here it is 4, it is there. 5, it is there. 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. minus 2n. an it is 5 minus 2n. Understood or not?
Yeah, okay.
All right. So this is the way we can solve. So you